Hello, this is Nikki and welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe and leave a comment with feedback of the tutorial and what you would like to see a tutorial on. I plan to go over layers and typography soon. Hello, this is Nikki and welcome back. Okay, in this tutorial I want to go over the shape builder tool, which is down here on the bottom. It's a little green circle and square that are connected. And so I'm going to start up here with these shapes, the circle and the star. And so I'm going to click, I selected it, I'm going to click on the shape builder tool. And up here you have some options. You have a line, which is going to look like this. You have the marquee selection, and you have the freehand. I kind of like using the freehand. And what I'm going to do is we're going to make this inner part of the circle that's in the rectangle, we're going to remove that and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit there's a positive, negative, and this says create a new shape from selected areas. So right now I'm going to hit the minus button, and it is going to make that part of the star disappear. Okay, and the next one, I am going to select this bottom one here. I'm going to go down to the shape option, and instead of the negative, I'm going to do positive, and I'm going to use the freehand. I'm going to select all of these and that one, and it is going to give me that kind of a red shape because the red was on the top. Okay, and this next one, I actually want to show you the inside, put the star inside the square. Click on the shape builder tool and click on the negative and click that, and there you go. Okay, and now for the marquee, I'm going to select the rectangle and the star, go down to the shape builder tool, go over to the marquee. I'm going to select this whole thing, which I think it works better if you're adding, and then see how it has the stripes through it plus the blue all the way around the entire shape. So I'm going to press the plus button and notice it turns it into one shape. So you can use that selection as well. Okay, I'm going to select these two. I'm going to go down to the shape builder tool, and on this one it will make the shape but leave the original. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on that area. I'm going to go over here to my layers panel, and it will show that I made a particular shape. I'm going to go over here to the selection and bring that down, and it will leave that. That's it for the shape builder tool, and thank you for joining me.